Hey guys, today I'm going to make a sausage and pepper casserole, and these are my ingredients. Ignore the carrot. Later on in the recipe I decided not to use it, but this is my cheese, my eggs, my sausage, my frozen peppers, frozen potato. All of this was a little under $10, so it serves 6 people and it's easy to make. This is exactly what the package looked like that the sausage came in. I really wanted to show that so you guys can see it. Alright, so I'm emptying my shredded potatoes, my thawed shredded potatoes into this bowl right here. You want to add some cream cheese. It's just for, for stabling the potatoes while they're baking. If you have sour cream, use sour cream. I'm going to season this with some onion powder, salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. But use whatever you have on hand and whatever you prefer on your potatoes. In hindsight, I kind of wish I added some lemon zest to the potatoes because lemon zest and potatoes go amazing. So right here, after I mixed it up, I added some cheddar. Now this pot right here, I'm going to put it in here and bake it off. Now the reason why I'm baking it off is because I do not have aluminum foil. If you have aluminum foil, you don't need to bake this first. You could put the whole entire casserole together and bake it all together. But I have to do this step because I don't have aluminum foil to cover it. So now I'm going to move on to the sausage. You want to cook the sausage down just like this. We're going to remove it and then cook down the peppers. So remove it once it's cooked. Add your peppers. These are the frozen peppers. I paid $1 for the package of frozen peppers. Remove that. Now we're on to the eggs. Season the eggs however you want to. However, I'm using the same seasonings I use in the potato as well as some smoked paprika. Just to give it a little smoky taste in the back. Add a little something special. I'm not adding salt to my eggs. There's cheese and there's a lot of sausage going in here. In my opinion, I just feel like it doesn't need it. But these are your eggs. If you want salt, add your salt. Mix that up. And we're going to pour this right over everything. This is what it looks like about 20 to 25 minutes out of the oven. As you can see, you can tell when it's cooked. It's brown around the edges and it just looks softer. You want to start adding your sausage and your peppers down in here as much as you want. Or, if you don't want to add all that sausage, I added most of it, child, right down in there. And mix it up. See, I told y'all. See, I just be doing the most. But I did save some for maybe some scramble on another day. So then you want to take your eggs and just pour it right over the top. You're going to pop this back into a 375 degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once again, this would have been cut short if I had aluminum foil. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to plate it up. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this easy, simple, cheap brunch recipe. I'm telling you, $10. It'll feed 6 people. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. Look at that crust. Yes. Catch y'all on my next video. Bye.